Hello guys, welcome to this lesson and we're going to be talking about introduction into exchange trading. Alright, so in our in our previous lessons we talked about wallets and how you could buy and sell and send and receive from your wallets, and I said basic trading is basically buying and selling, and some wallets acts as an exchange where you could buy and sell from them. Example is Luno, Yellow Card, and so much, so a lot more. So, but what I'm going to show you guys today is trading, exchange trading. So on exchange trading, you have on exchanges like top big exchanges with large liquidity. You have access to trading more cryptocurrency pairs. You have access to trading. They have much more larger volume. I mean, when I mean volume, I mean like money, millions of dollars, where you could trade and make some profits from and all that. So to be a trader, the first thing you need to know is coin market cap. Alright, so coin market cap is an aggregator website where you could see the lists, I mean the price, the numbers, and basically most all cryptocurrencies are in existence. Maybe not all, but a handful of them. Let's say about 70-80% of all cryptocurrencies, you're gonna find them in coin market cap right here. So you're gonna see the market cap of each cryptocurrency, the price, the volume in the last 24 hours, the circulating supply, the change in the last 24 hours, the price graph, and lots and lots and lots more. And you see this. If these are the first 100, and looking at coming to coin market cap, you're going to get to know a lot of cryptocurrencies and all that. So there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, and according to this, we have 5,140 cryptocurrencies. So that's quite a lot, and a lot of them are basically useless. And so, to be a trader, you need to analysis skills. The first one is called fundamental analysis, and the second one is called technical analysis. So coin market cap is going to help you with the fundamental analysis, and fundamental analysis is basically you just knowing what the project, I mean the cryptocurrency, is all about, the tendencies of it achieving what it claims to be, the community behind it, the potential of it being adopted massively, and all that and all that and all that. So, and also this is what you do. So let's check for Bitcoin first. So put a new tab. So if you click on Bitcoin, you're going to see the details. It says here, right, is the number one cryptocurrency due to its market cap. Bitcoin has a market cap of $181 billion. Wow, that's quite a lot. And the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies is $289 plus billion. That's a lot. And the traded amount in the last 24 hours is $145 billion. Wow. Wow. So imagine you making your own money from all this money that is moving around. So alright, let's get down to it. So if you scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see the details of all of the Bitcoin. You're gonna give a brief issue about Bitcoin, the details, ROI since Bitcoin has been in existence. If you had bought Bitcoin when it first came out, it has made 7,240%. So you're gonna see quite a lot number of the details of whatever cryptocurrency you click on here. And if you click on market pair right here, still loading. So it's going to show you on all the markets, I mean all the exchanges where you could trade Bitcoin, and the volumes on each exchanges, and the price, and all that and all that and all that. But what I really want to show you guys is this. So I'm gonna call this, let's pick another cryptocurrency. Twinkling the little star here, I wonder how to. Okay, let's go with Chainlink. Alright, so Chainlink is a cryptocurrency, and so what is Chainlink? How do I get to know Chainlink? Alright, so aside the fact that Chainlink has a market cap of $1.4 billion, it has a trading volume of 300 million, and okay, it has a circulating supply of 350 link. So what else? How do I get to know about Chainlink? I need to know more details. So what is Chainlink all about, and how do I get to know about it? So what you're gonna do is come down to the technical documentation here. You just right click and open it. So most cryptocurrencies, when they are coming into the market, they come through something called ICOs, and they release a document called white paper. So white paper is just like a technical PDF file, or like a document sort of, where they tell you what they're trying to do, the problem they're trying to solve, the technical details, the team behind the cryptocurrencies, and all that. It's sort of like a business proposal for consumers, right? So if truly the white paper, you get to know what it's all about. But I must warn you, do not always believe the white papers. You just need the white papers to have a brief idea of what it's saying. But do not believe the white papers. As a trader, you only need the white papers to know if the project is valuable, but do not believe the white paper. They say a lot of lies in there. So yeah, you're going to see a lot of that. So I don't really want to go. You could check that out yourself. But let's check out something. Introduction. So smart contracts, application that execute, blah 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 blah. But by the time you read through, and they're not usually much, it's 38 pages. By the time you read through 10 pages or 5, you have an idea of what the project's all about. Also, let me get down to the other thing. Um, so as a trader, there are two analysis skills you need. You need fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis is just what we are doing right now, and that's what's going to show you um what you need to know about the projects and all that and all that. And also something else skip my mind. You also check on your social media handles to see how active they are and all that. So you really need all this to know if it's actually a credible project that has a lot of supporters and all that and all that. Okay, so they have 16.6. Is this chain link? Let me check this again. I guess so. Well, I guess so. So um I think that's all about that. Yes, it's chilling. So the second one is fundamental analysis, and as a trader, fundamental analysis is just charts. So every currency has a chart, and charts are what represents the price movement and all that. So I'm going to get down to that right now. So the exchanges I use the most it's called Binance. That's the largest exchange in the world, and I recommend it to anyone, anytime, any day. So let's go on Binance. And also as a trader, you need one more thing. It's called it's a charting website where you could see charts of cryptocurrency you want to trade and all that. So it's called tradingview.com. Let me go back to Binance. So this is Binance. This is an exchange where you could see the price of the cryptocurrencies all on. So I'm going to log in and show you guys some stuffs and how it works. Okay, so I'm going to log in right now. Okay. So it's one of the safest and largest exchange in the whole world, and this is why I use and I enjoy it so very much. Um, Sorry, hold on. So to keep your account safe, you need to use a Google Authenticator to keep it safe. If you know you want to use Binance, and it's quite very safe and all that. So let's check out TradingView. So this TradingView is a charting, like I said, for stocks, crypto, any financial market. You can use this to check out your whatever assets you're trading. So let's check on Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I think our network is a bit slow and sorry about that. Alright, so click on this Binance. So let's check on Bitcoin USDT against Binance. So USDT is just a cryptocurrency that is pegged to the dollar, so it doesn't move like most cryptocurrency. It's just a digital currency that is pegged to the dollar. So one USDT is one USD, $1, right? So this is the chart, but let's see full featured chart. Yeah, so one thing I'm going to tell you is if you want to be a trader, before you make the decision of being a trader. Oh, hold on, don't let me scare you. Let me show you something first. All right, so this is my hack account, and okay, so let me go down to wallets. So this is what I use for trading, and I traded quite a lot, and I make some profit. So at the moment, I have just $362 right I'm trading, and this is one of the cryptocurrency I'm trading. So let me show you guys markets. So you come down to markets if you want to trade to see all the list of all cryptocurrencies that you want to trade. So these are the list of most cryptocurrencies. These are my favorites. Or you could see in the BTC market. So you could trade Bitcoin against other cryptocurrencies, and you could trade. Don't let me scare you. For beginners, this is all you need to know right for now. So if I'm going to trade, let's say, all right. So I see, okay, this coin looks good. Let's say, okay, this is link that we checked the other time. And I say, okay, I want to buy some link, and I come down, I click on it. All right. So the best part about trading is you can make some shitload of money from trading, and you could also lose shitload of money. So, and what I want to tell you guys is, as a trader, the first thing you need to know is before any analysis, fundamental analysis is, as a trader, you need to know how to control your emotions. If you don't know how to control your emotions, believe me, you've lost it. Because this crypto trading is going to test you to the core. I mean, I've cried, I've laughed. I know, right? It sounds crazy, but I've cried, I've laughed, I've smiled, I've shed tears over this when I started out trading. But over the years, I've learned how to control my emotions and all that. Because, well, yeah, bro, just stay with me. I'm going to show you some stuff. Stay with me. So while this loading, let's check out the graph. Okay, so this is the graph. Let me expand this a bit. So what you're seeing right here is just the price movement of Bitcoin over the time. So the red ones means the price is going down. The green bars means the price is going up. So the reason why you need the chart is the chart is going to tell you how the market has been going and the trend of the market. So from this, looking at this right now, you know it has moved up like this. So the thing is, the market doesn't move in a straight line. Always remember that there's going to be some ups and downs, and up and down. But throughout these ups and downs, you could notice that the market, the price has increased. over time. So that means we are in a uptrend. Uptrend means when the market is going up regardless of the little ups and downs and all that. So if you want to buy at this point as a trader, you're a bit safe. You are in a uptrend market. So if you're if there is a sharp drop in price and all that, it's just part of the market gimmicks. It's part of the market gimmicks. It's still going to go up, right? So this is called technical analysis, right? But there's a lot more to it, and it takes years of training and training and practice and all that, so you perfectly understand how to read charts and all that. So if you really want to learn more about reading charts, I'm offering a private class, and it costs just $100. I teach you how to read charts for technical analysis and how to make successful trade. I've been trading for over 4 years now, and to be honest, I've made the first 2 years was quite a shit show for me because I made money, I lost it, I made money, I lost it, and I really didn't understand how the market works. There's a lot more to these crypto trading. So so trading view, yeah, for charting, you actually have the charts on here on Binance here, but I actually personally I prefer looking at it on the trading view itself. So I don't know what's wrong with the network, but if you're just gonna buy, you come down here. So once you click the cryptocurrency you're interested in trading in, or if you ask, if you paid for um my technical analysis class, if you paid for my crypto trading class, you're gonna be getting some access to free some signals and all that. Um, I'll do the technical, I'll do the analysis of the market, and I'm saying you like this is a good time to buy, it's a good time to sell, to save you some times, and also while you learn, you can make some money for yourself. So I don't know what's wrong with the network, but so if you're just going to buy, just come here and say okay. Let me show you guys something. So one link costs $404.20. That's 4.20, right? So that's how much one link costs. And let's say I'm trying to buy, let's say I have $100, and I'm trying to buy some link. So 100 divided by 4 is probably around 25, or let's say 23-ish or something like that. So I'm just gonna type in 23-ish, right? And if I add Bitcoin in this, you just click buy, and that's it. And if you also want to sell, let's say you bought link at this price. This is the Bitcoin price of link. This is the denomination of one link in Bitcoin is 0.000424492. So let's say you bought it at this price and it went up to, let's say, 45, and that's $4.5. That's you made some point money, right? And you're trying to sell your 23 link you just bought. So check this out. See, this is how much you bought it, 0.09779 in Bitcoin, and let's assume this was the price you're trying to sell it. This is not the price you sell it in Bitcoin. So you've made some profit in here. So that's just how trading works. It's basically buying low and selling high. But knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell is where the trick comes in. And yeah, that's it. So I don't really want to take much of your time because sorry, the network has made me spend so much time. Well, I really hope you understand and have a preview of what crypto trading is all about. So with constant practice, it's um it's quite fun and easy with constant practice though. So um I wish you good luck if you want to be a trader, and it's quite an enjoyable profession, and this is what I do on the side. But recently I'm trying to move into be a full-time trader because I actually do a lot of stuff and all that. So I might be moving into being a full-time trader quite very soon. But this is what I do on the low. So you're alright guys. Cheers. I wish you all the best. Good luck.